and trying out a second video for the day. I usually just do one video because I just can't handle the multiple video and audio files, but I'm getting better at this, so I'm doing 2 videos for the day with 2 audios. Let's see if I can work this stuff out, because I do like to film and record stuff, or what do they call it, vlog. I don't mind vlogging, it's not bad. Now normally you're not allowed to go around the outside like I'm going, but I think if you go slowly and with respect, and don't be crossing those lines on the road that trigger the arrows, you know, the left and right arrows. And what have we got here on the side of the road? Is that flowers? Oh yes, it is flowers. Want any flowers? Nah. See what it's like with the chin down and the visor up. See if that's good. Actually, that is good with the chin down and the visor up. It's not bad. I'm just thinking of how this helmet will be going a long distance, and it's a helmet that I've bought a bit big, so it doesn't squeeze my head, so it's sitting comfortably on my head without squeezing too much, but yet, you know, it's not super big, it's big enough to be safe, and that's fine. And I should have stayed in the shorter lane. When you're sifting lanes like that, you should be in the shorter lane, so then you can filter properly, because now I've got to filter around the wrong side of this with the and if a policeman saw me do that, they'd probably say no, you cannot do that, so I should have considered that proper lane filter and sit on. But I think the helmet feels okay with the chin down and the visor up. Still very cool. I think I'm trying it because if I'm doing high speeds and it's got the chin up, the wind might shake it around a bit. So seeing what it's like with the chin down, it was fine. I do like the chin up because you can see the bike and you've got a better concept of your bike's surrounding. You don't feel shut off from your bike. You feel more connected to your bike with your chin up. I think that feels better. I was going to see if the wind noise is less with the chin down instead of the chin up. And I don't know that it is. I think, look at the visor. Maybe with the visor down, the wind noise is less. Let's see. Let's get going a bit fast. Wind noise isn't bad. Now let's open the visor. Just some bit of buffeting. And now all the way. Similar bit of buffeting. Not a great deal though. Not annoyingly. Around the side temples there's some buffeting of the wind on my Touratech, which I think is normal. Now maybe let's see if we put the screen up and the buffeting changes. Let's get to the speed limit first. Alright, now let's put the screen up. Oh yeah, buffeting quietens down a lot. Almost no buffeting there with the screen just a bit up. So it's good to be able to adjust the screen like that. I can get it exactly. Let's see if we go all the way. Now see, when I go all the way like that, I get some downwind motion from the top and back. It's like there's wind pushing down and forward on my head. I don't particularly enjoy that. But there's not bad. It's just on the horizon of my eyes. It's okay. There's no wind buffeting. It's pretty quiet actually. I can see through. Let's just see over. Actually, if we just go a bit over, that's better. Yeah, a bit over is good because then you know what to aim for. You're going a bit over. And you got that clear line of sight. And I don't get the buffeting. So that's alright. But you know, around the suburbs I can have my windshield down and I can have a bit of buffeting going on. That's fine. Not usually going that fast or doing anything that's annoying for too long, so that's good. It's just the visibility is better with the windshield down, looking at the road and your surroundings. You're not trying to cut your horizon with the windshield, you know. You know what, I think riding in rain mode on the 1600 might actually be better for your tyres, because you know traction's stopping your wheels spinning and that sort of stuff. So if you want your tyres to last a bit longer on your 1600, I reckon using rain mode, if you don't need all that power, is probably best to not put direct chain force on the tyre unnecessarily to cause wear and tear. But if you want to go ahead and do burnouts, you know, be my guest. Who's stopping you? But I thought that would be a good tip. Rain mode. I must say, one thing I do like about my K compared to my GSA is I can get a very good flat foot on the GSA. But you won't have that problem with the new 1300 GSA and adjustable suspension. The bike comes right down. But in the other models where the suspension doesn't come down and you're carrying heavy loads like passengers, like I often do, big passengers and things like that. And I just realised I'm going the wrong way. Oh well, we'll have to go this way, I guess. I was heading for Aldi and I just realised I turned the wrong way, but never mind.